Welcome to Everything Currency, first video of 2021. First and foremost, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, like the video even though you never watched it and you haven't even seen me before. Like the video. I'm gonna show you guys about an airdrop that I think could be a pretty nice one. I'm talking a pretty nice one just based on the token that's getting airdropped, and the token that's getting airdropped is actually a pretty interesting token as well. So I want to show you the proof's in the pudding. I want to show you how, if you've been checking along with this coin for a while, you might get a little bit luckier than some other ones. So you got to get on this quick, you got to get on it fast, because I don't know when it's happening. So this is a very time sensitive video, so let's get right into it. Bitcoin's at 29,000 blah blah blah. So I was on Twitter, roaming around Twitter. Follow me at Everything Currency on Twitter, spelled weird like this right here. Everything Currency on Twitter. Follow me. I'll be tweeting out all type of crazy stuff on there, just acting a fool and having fun like you're supposed to do on social media. Don't take it too serious. This is not the year to take everything too serious. 2020 was crazy for a lot of people. This year we having fun, we making money, and we promoting good energy all year long. So I hope you down with that, because that's what I'm gonna be doing all year long. But shout out to the Badger Queen, Miss Bitcoin Queen on on Twitter. She had hit me up and said, hey, if you're staking some Badger, you're gonna get the dig airdrop that's coming soon. And then she said after 2 or 3 months you wake up and quit your job. Well, I did that last year, you know what I'm saying, but I want a lot more people to do that this year, so hopefully she's right. We'll see if this works. So Badger, if you're staking Badger, you're going to get the dig token. So if you're sorry, that always makes me laugh. But yeah, if you're gonna that meme of that dude crying like nah. But yeah, anyways, if you're staking Badger, you're gonna get the you're gonna get the dig token. So first of all, what is dig and why would I want it? Dig is a token that's pegged to Bitcoin. It's an elastic supply cryptocurrency pegged to the price of Bitcoin and governed by the BadgerDao. Pegged to the price of Bitcoin. Now, I don't know if you've experienced Ampleforth or Rebase or Base or a lot of these other elastic supply tokens that are pegged to the price of $1, that are trying to be pegged to the price of $1. Well, Badger is taking a different approach, and they're trying to peg it to the price of Bitcoin. So it says when Bitcoin goes up or down, dig will automatically adjust its supply accordingly. It's meant to mimic Bitcoin. Ampleforth, every day the supply is adjusted. But yeah, so this is how it works. It's similar to Ampleforth and the way that the rebase works and stuff like that, but it's going to be pegged to the price of Bitcoin instead. So I don't know if you want any of this token. I want some of this token. So with the airdrop, so just I don't know when, 4 days ago, I guess, they voted and they said, okay, we're going to actually do this thing because it is a DAO. So it's a decentralized autonomous organization. People vote on what's going to happen, and the parameters are going to be set up in these type of ways. So earned awards, you're going to get dig based on your total earned awards, whether you earned over 50 Badger or less than 50 Badger. Stake days, so if you've been staking Badger for a longer period of time, then you'll get a higher percent of the tokens. The stake days to earn rewards ratio. So I'm gonna post this in the description, because if you've been in Badger this whole time, you might be interested in coming in here and looking at it. But the rewards are going to be broken up as such: total Badger rewards earned 55%, Badger slash staked ratio 35%, and the total staked over time is 10%. And for me, I'm hoping that this helps me out, because I've been staking Badger ever since they gave them to us for free. And this is one of the reasons why I say, if you're getting free tokens, it's kind of fun to just play around with the platforms, figure out what it's all about. I know a lot of people are new to cryptocurrency and you don't really know what, exactly what you're doing and stuff like that. So when you get free tokens, it's always good to experiment with those tokens. And you can see that this might be one of the ones that pays off, depending on if this coin actually works out or not. The contract is already audited. I looked into that. So seems pretty cool so far. So this vote happened already, so I don't know when the airdrop is actually going to happen, but if you're not on it, you might want to take a look at it. 372 holders. Now, I told this to my Telegram group about a week ago, so if you want to get into the Telegram group, be active, be a part, try to make some money with a nice group of like-minded people, hit me up. We are open right now for business. So real quick video, just wanted to let you guys a little bit about the Badger airdrop and the Badger token. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace out.